Hello, gals and guys. This is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com with a quick tip for you. I made a video that incorporated a lot of plugins. I'm going to make individual videos on those plugins in case someone doesn't need to necessarily go through a whole long video and just wants to look real quick at a particular plugin. So this one is for Pretty Links. All right, so what you want to do is go to your plugins. And mine's already installed, but that's okay. I'm just going to show you how that worked. Just go add new. All right, you're going to put in Pretty Links. You probably just put in Pretty. Yeah, there it is right there. All right, I've already installed it and activated, so you do the same. It's right here. Just install now. And then once it's installed, Pretty Links is going to be right here. I'm going to add new, and then I'm going to drag this thing over here. This is what I was working on, so that should pop up in a minute. So all these affiliate links that I have on my YouTube site, they're really messy. They need to be cleaned up. They don't look good. And these are actually all services that I would recommend. I just don't throw them on there. I mean, I could throw every affiliate link on there if I wanted to, but this is the stuff that I think would really, really help people. Plus, it helps the channel. So just grab, excuse me, I'm going to grab this link. So this is Pinnacle Studio. All right. And I'm going to put that URL in here. And then I'm going to put Pinnacle Studio. And I make sure this, put a title here. Studio Video Affiliates. So I will update. And it should knock me back to the rest of them. Okay, these are some I've already created before, so I'm going to grab this link. And I'm going to go back to my notepad, and I'm just going to replace this. See, it's a lot nicer. It's got my website there for everyone. And I don't know, it's just a lot cleaner. Looks a lot better, a lot more uniform. So that's my quick tip for today, guys and gals. Very easy plugin to use. Nothing difficult whatsoever about it. Please like, subscribe, or share this video if you find it helpful, and certainly comment below. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace.